Warren County, Ohio, Water Service Laterals and Sewers Permit Bond. What is the Warren County, Ohio, Water Service Laterals and Sewers Permit Bond? A Warren County, Ohio, Water Service Laterals and Sewers Permit Bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors working on water or sewer connections. It guarantees that the contractor will properly install, repair, or modify water service laterals and sewer lines, according to local codes. This bond acts as a financial safeguard for the county and the public if the work is done incorrectly or causes damage. Why is Warren County, Ohio, Water Service Laterals and Sewers Permit Bond required? The bond is required to protect public infrastructure, such as water systems and sewer lines, from poor workmanship or negligence. It ensures that contractors follow all county regulations, safety standards, and construction guidelines. By requiring this bond, Warren County reduces the risk of costly repairs and ensures accountability for licensed contractors. How does Warren County, Ohio, Water Service Laterals and Sewers Permit Bond work? The contractor purchases the bond from a surety company before starting any permitted work. If the contractor fails to meet county standards or causes damage, a claim can be filed against the bond for compensation. The surety may pay valid claims, but the contractor is ultimately responsible for reimbursing the surety for any losses. To learn more, please visit swiftbonds.com.